An important part of being a developer is not just the tools you use, such as your integrated development environment, but also the repository of knowledge and code templates you build up over time. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of these templates, which will help you get set up quickly for building web pages. Let's open Visual Studio Code to go through the template step by step. In the folder, we have index.html along with a JS folder and a CSS folder. Inside the JS folder, there is a file named script.js. There is no content in this file. It is added to this folder so that you can easily add JavaScript code to the web page. I recommend that you add any other JavaScript files to this folder too. Next, I'll open the CSS folder. In the folder, there's a file named styles.css. Again, there is no content in this file, but it is here so that you can easily add CSS rules to the web page. Again, it's best if you add any other CSS files also to this folder. I go back to my template folder and open it in Visual Studio Code. I open the index.html file. The file has a semantic HTML document structure set up. At the top, there is the doc type declaration followed by the HTML root element. Inside the root element, there are the head and body elements. In the head element, the title and meta tags are already optimized for search engines. I recommend that you update the title along with the description and author meta tags. Below are the meta tags for the Open Graph protocol. Don't worry about the details of these tags just yet, as you'll learn about them in a later video. For now, the main thing to know is that if you plan on sharing the web page on social media, you should remember to uncomment this HTML section and update the content attributes. The next block of commented out code is for icons. If you want to show an icon in the web browser tab for your website, you can update the href attributes here to point to your icon. Remember, you always link elements for the CSS style sheet to the last section of the head element. To speed things up for you, there is a link already set up to reference the styles.css file in the CSS folder. By now, you can probably see how useful this template is. Let's continue to the body element. The body element already contains a basic semantic structure. This includes the header element for your website title or logo, the nav element for your website navigation, the main element for your main content, and the footer element for any copyright notices or links to secondary web pages. Below the footer element, you add script elements for JavaScript files. To make your life easy, a script element is already set up to reference the script.js file in the JS folder. With this template, you'll be able to quickly start building out web pages. It's worth keeping a copy of this template on your local machine to use and reference in future projects. In this video, you've been introduced to a semantic HTML template that you can use for building web pages. Good luck.